Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've heard the birthday girl just out those doors. If I could please have everyone, please be upstanding as the birthday girl makes her entrance. Now, I do have one small request to ask of you all. When the birthday girl makes her entrance, I need you guys to make as much noise as possible. Now, pretend you're at a nightclub or you're at a festival. I'm looking around the room and I can see some young adults hiding behind their parents. You know what I'm talking about. I need you all to make as much noise as possible so that we can give the birthday girl the welcome she deserves.
Where'd she come from? Which one did you go?
Alright, is everyone ready? It gives me great pleasure to welcome the lady of the night, the one, the only, Alani Mariner. Can all be seated down? Mini. Bacha! Lua Pati! Tonton Fa! Hey! I jumped the gun there a bit. Okay, so for those not speaking Samoans who have attended tonight, traditionally in the Samoan culture, we would have to welcome the special guests like pastors, ministers, elders and chiefs in the Samoan language. So if you could please bear with us for a few moments so I can conduct this small welcome for these special guests. Olo mataru penele se unga, aua matatia sale te unga, wae ta ia vata pupa io na mauta, awa na whaia iova le asole nei, tātou te oli ma fie ai. E moni ma wha maoni le upo Solomona. O le wha moe mo taunu. O le la au o lea. O le aso sā wha wau whaupo. Ua awali I tia le olofa ma le anga le lei o le atua. Mo lo tau sila fia. O au o Louis Mariner. E whai ma sui wa inga. E le awa ma le wharawalo, o te whātālofa ma whawhenua, I suma whawhengainga ma whatua, le paia ma mamaru, ua whātasi mai e mori mauina le lusi puritasi tau sanga o lani, se ingia se taimi, maua so o tau wangatungu. Ia sau mauri le whaamoemoe, o le a whangasoro loa le tātou proklami. On behalf of Alani, her parents and her family, I would like to welcome each and every one of you here today. It is a blessing and an honor to have you all here with us to witness and celebrate Alani's 21st birthday. Now, before we get on to our program, the rest of our program is going to be conducted in English because let's be honest, that small Samoan walking took me 3 months to learn and I almost stuffed it up. So the rest of our program is going to be said in English. And if you don't understand English, anak use. Alright, before we get on to our program, there's a couple of housekeeping rules that I need to address. The ladies and the men's toilets are on your right-hand side. In any case of an emergency, your exits are located through any of these doors behind you. Or you can just follow me, because I'll be the first one outside the doors. And we have an open bar for many of the guests who are thirsty, so you're welcome to go outside and have a few drinks. This leads us into the first part of our program, which I would like to call upon our Pastor Tupou, to please come forward to say a few words, read a few scriptures from the Bible, to bless the birthday girl, bless this occasion and bless DMC. Ora tuina atu le avano te lera o le 5 minute. Ya. Olo avano le nei faftai.
Faftai le tuo o tato lau o si fai ne fiafi. Ile pura lo fare tuo te tai me lo tu soi fu mo lo wona. Da tu te ave vi inga ile tuo ono se tasse o alo mo fa na o le nei ai. O le nei fala ko tonga. O ia mo ile luos fu ma tasse o tau sanga o no soi fu. Talo na fa na mai. Ma ve o ia o sta mai tai. Ile ngate fia a rona tupu ai. O leo wato e le rusu tasi. Mo onga ia whaongale le tamaita i le tua se mea whainga luenga i ona ao. Mo le whaomaina o rana whiau ai le tapuni whainto o le langi i le neso i fuanga lo tato i ai. O no wanoria leo lo tato wa fia. O le a tato langi mai i le vi ingo le tua e le leimea uma i le aina. I se whanono ana tele i tu tono le tu ainga o sayuta. O le tu ainga o sayuta e runga tu se fulu ma le rua afe tangata. Ina ua langona leo ona tala i leo le ana pongi i tu tono le nubo o sayuta. Ona tamaita i e suafa ia e seta. I to tonu o le loto a le tupu sa wā o le nuku o Papelonia. Sa eo whaita winga nei whai upu e se tolu. E au tu ia i le tātou a fiafi. E krei o le awhine ia alani. O a toa ia i lono rusu tasi le ni e fiafi. Ma ua wawai atu ai le totele ma le lagufonga ese. O lo tātou ainga, o lo tātou nuku, o lo tātou atunu. O tātou whatasi e ni fiafi. Mo le celebrate ina o lona lua sutasi tau sanga. Talu na soifua mai ne nei tamaitai. O le tala lea ia e seta. Wa atu ia ngamteina e seta ma le au e unuka. O tangata ia e ta o e unuka. O tangata uli. O tangata o whama maina. O tangata ia e le mawhai o na whai awa. Wa watu nei e unuka nei. I le teimi na watu ai le tamaitai sa latu leolawina ma latu tausia ina e seta. Peitai e iei le vaenga ta ua lava o mana e pai loe tato iai mo fa fengo feilo ne fiafi wa ore te me ore a ore to saia Israel tono malo papurinia al sidi o ina lave iele no le ai se fai pule le ai se tupu le ai se perfetta le ai ma se toa na tue lave iele no ore tua mai tono papurinia ai tu lai e seta ape mai se amene ole characteristic o le soifuanga e seta o leo te tamu whai au mai whao tui e whiau le pone i le afafine i a Alani a Marina ape mai se amene te lor tūle mai o Alani Marina le ngata stala vou i titi a stala vou e iaile a nganga leo le songa ma le finau leo wha atoa ina i le nia fiafi lo tato celebrating na lona lusu tasi o le anganga o le whaftai o le taulanga whaftai i le tua e tusa lana tausinga i a Alani Marina ma le nei whiau e whai asi lo loto mamamao i tua ma tato vai ai i ona characteristic o le soifuanga o le tangata o mea ia tato te loa ai le tangata i lona tūle mai ma lona whanau mai peitai Alani Marina leo tō si sila mai le maitai la lelei o Alani Marina leo lo lala tulunga nei wa toi lona lusu tasi tausana Alani o le wha tunu nei whafotatu i e whaperetania a o le lusu tasi a motua celebrate lo naso aisea wa iai a te ia le awanoa wa mawhai ai ona mo ai atu i whafo i lona la sanga o lona soifua mo sona ainga ma se whamau popongo se ainga peitai o to tono le atunu o Samoa e le tulia i e lufutasi aewa ai le tūlanga ua i ai o le mafo fau o le tangata ua matua wa i ai o le atamai o le ponto ma le whautauta au te ro me ia watua atu le tua i ato e Alani ma vea i lo wanso le ni fiafi o se whamurianga i tu tono le ainga o wo ai mwese o uso ma o tatou a wo masani le nei au fio fatasi mai whalia ilo lato oli ma lo lato fiafia lato te o mai lango ma uplift o i lo waso whanau ua matua whaatumuina i lo nei malu ia i lato o lato wha taunuina i a le sauninga le nei fianti ma e te tonu lo loto o le nei po le vi ingo le tua e leo se vi ingo o Alani e pe me se amene a le taulanga le Alani mo le tuo le rangi i le ia maua lona soifua o lona malosi o lona atamai tausi ai o ia o matua marainga se io i le aso e fio mai ai lo tato tai ia whamuria le tua ia te oe Alani ia so umo te toi o lo wola ma lo talo vau lo tutupu ai ia whapena i e whamurianga le tua ia te oe ai mai se matua ma grandparents o lo tausi ia te oe ia whamuria le tua le ni e fiafi o lau saunia stato te tano pupurawa whai wai leo le tato sauninga le ni e fiafi whaftailo mato tua e a le ilo lofa wai whatauluina i o polkalame no whatao to oto mai e whanau ma nisi o ainga o mato ainga leo o whatino ina le ni e fiafi mato tuina atu le afine a Alani i o wao le ni e O le ngata o whaatino ina I ne fiafi ne fia o a inga no lua. Ai mai se o uso o wō ma e masani. Ono lau tau singa I nei tau sanga I tere o ato I eilo no lusu tati tau sanga. Ilo na tupu ae. Tuina pia via o ia o se taulanga ola I lau fio. Mo lau whea mo lau ngārenga. Whamanuia ne nei whapotonga o mātou mafuta ne nei fiafi. Tātou maoi se on whai uina ne nei pō mono polkalame. Ao tū maulo wa ao I o mātulunga. Wala ue arai lo suafa Yesu. Amen.
Ai sato amene. Pastor, te lava mole. Olo vainga neni le nei po. O ke sau ilo sau inga de vaso le. O sea, papakisa lo nganga. Perfect papakisa lo nganga. All right, moving on to the next part of our program. And that's why I said the rest is in English because I can't really speak Samoan. Moving on to the next part of our program, I would like to call upon Alani's mother to please, if she can make her way to the stage, to say a few words, and then we will blow out the cake, sing happy birthday, and pass on the 21st key. Pati mai tato ki pati mai.
First and foremost, I would like to thank the Lord above for His love and support upon us, especially Alani, that turned 21. On the 23rd of July 2001, God has blessed me with a beautiful young woman, Alani. So welcome everyone. Most of my speech will be in my native tongue. Ai o tele I o tufia le vaina mo ia le tangalua. E mo no whapoi I o paia mo mamalo le ale o ia sa utala. Ne I le ngawhatau le maina sa upu o na avea lea mau le anga. Ai no atu ia to I whalopolo tō whinga. A wā le lato matafa I o I lea. Ai o te whatalofa mau whalofa atu I la sunga tai o sauninga. Whapea le paia man mamalo le au wala au lia o au whanga poto mai. A wale mo le mawina o le luosu martasi o la Filipele. O upo e whai le whaiho le ngatai whale. Se ua sama le ngatai whale ina wa e manmanui al whatau tainga tama al tau tai mata parabala. A upo e whai le whaiho se unga lupe. Se ua mata lupe le se unga wa e manmanui al whatama swale inga. A upo po asa ia muta le fine mo api. A wā ua e lua le ai umo le nuu. O le whawhine ami o le lei lava oi. O le autuna ala unu maungu le awhine le nei awhiawhi. O Alani, o se tamai tai ami o le lei. O se tamai tai o stai. O se teine e le losi vale. O se teine e le ngā o ia. O se teine e atamai. Alani has set a very good example in my family, especially her sibling, her one and only sister Anthea and her two brothers, Declan and Vino. I thank God for Alani. Like he blessed me with Alani. Lani, from kindergarten all the way to year 12, Alani never missed an award. Alani always proud, like she always make me proud. From kindergarten all the way to year 12. So Alani, when Alani finished year 12, she made it to uni. At the age of 15, Alani works at McDonald's to support my family. Like she has seen mom struggling and her siblings, so I was at work one night and I got a phone call from Alani saying, "Mom, guess what? I've got a job." I'm like, "Really? Where?" And she said, "I'm McDonald's." I said, "I'm so proud of you, baby." Like that's what I said to you, Lani, you put God first in your life. God will give you knowledge. God will give you everything you need. God will give you everything you want. You just have to trust God. So, o la mo mau ma la fafine. O alani o se tene e loto alofa e te tono matua ainga. Like as you all know, some of my family know I'm not really good in English. Most of our stuff that Alani does online. So Alani did like, you know, our house bill, like phone bill, internet bills and everything. Alani connected to my phone and her phone. So when I get a bill, so Alani will also get it as well. So sometimes at night we have a family time, and this is Alani, Mom, I already paid the internet. Like without me telling Alani, oh, you need to help out, but nah, Alani always help out in my family. So Alani, I am very proud of you, baby. I am very proud of Alani. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful for everything that Alani has done for us. And there's another thing that I want to share with you guys. With Alani, sometimes I don't have money, and I'll text or call Alani, oh baby, can I please use some of your money? And this is Alani, Mom, that's the reason why I gave you my card. Use whatever money you want. Like I owe a lot of debts in you, Mom. So that's why I said like, I am so blessed with the best. And I thank God for Alani. Not only of Sosoani Alani tono matuainga, me se foi matua, or aunties, my uncle, that Alani helped out, and I'm very proud of her. And ola mo mauna mo le fine le netu la faftai lava.
Pati vai tato fia pati mai. Alright, I just want to tell everyone, Alani's our girl, she got it from me. I just want to say that. She smiled like me, she's beautiful like me, and she got a lot of money like me. So, let's go. We're moving on to the next part of our program, which is blowing out the cake. And then I will ask upon Letty to come and give the 21st key. Because there's 21 cakes here, there's too many candles to blow out. So she's just going to stand behind the 21 cakes, and we're going to sing happy birthday for the birthday girl tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alani. Happy birthday to you. Face à moi. DJ, need that beat? Oh, actually, wait, 1 second. If anyone wants to come and take some photos of Alani with her key, you've got 5 minutes to please come up, take some photos of her. And then we'll continue with our program. Okay, if I can have everyone please be seated. Back into your positions, please. We do have a small performance coming through from the sister Anthea Faleafanga. Okay, so if everyone can please take their seats, including the birthday girl. Where did you go, birthday girl? Just want to know as well for all our elders, our chiefs and our ministers, the food is not too far away. They are still organising the food at the moment, and it is in buffet style. So we'll get to that part after Anthea's dance. But I'll wait until everyone is seated before I call on Anthea, please. All right, we have a special performance done by the sister of Alani. Make some noise! Pachi mai. We have another special performance from the girls all the way from the foot of the mountains, where you can also find the Mighty Panthers. These girls are mixed, some Filipinos in there, so please make some noise for the Mountie Girls.
The food is about 10 minutes away, but for the time being, we do have a photo booth in the corner. Please make yourself at home with a photo booth. Take plenty of photos to create some memories, and we'll come back to about the food when it's ready. Tailava.
Yeah, you gotta keep the edit going though. Try not to stay the same.
Ladies and gentlemen, the food is almost here. It is 5 minutes away. Thank you for your patience. We appreciate you waiting. I know it's been a long night. We do have a jam-packed night with plenty of performances to come, but the food is 5 minutes away. So thank you for your patience again. I will be back to announce the order of the food. Jaraba.
Ernest is my boy. Whoa, how do you know Ernest? Wait, what's your name? I'm gonna FaceTime Ernest right now. I'm gonna FaceTime Ernest right now. Please, I just said, you don't like Ernest? That's my brother. You mean on the face? Oh, okay.
It's just the food. The food's ready now, guys. Please, if you can please be seated. Alright, so the food tonight is served as a buffet style. We do have ministers, pastors, elders, and chiefs in attendance here today. So if I could please ask our people to please leave the first opportunity to the buffet table to the special guests, and then we will follow suit. In other words, if you're not a pastor, if you're not an elder, and if you're not a chief, please, marulumai. I'll say, sorry, I did drop the ball there. Before we take part in the food tonight, I'm just going to call upon Pastor Tubon to do a quick prayer to bless the food, and then we will start to line up in the buffet to our left. All right, thank you.
Yala puno me oto laura o whaia le tātou tano whakaia tātou i tau maka mea whia. Lo mātou tamai o lo fio mai le langa, ia vi ia lava la o fio e whawawau lava. Mātou toi tā pāle mamaro la o fio le nei vaenga o le awhiafi, Koe sile fia le mātou whamoe le rio o mātou whatau nuina le leiko ia fo ia tu le vi inga ia toi. Mātou lau i lau fio la mātou sauni e talia fua o whamulianga e ana i mea ai tau sero mātou o le tino ia e rofa me whapa ia wha maria le mātou whangaina e mo eso mātou mārosi le ia e ore lau whamulianga ia aina ngua na o lātou tāpena masauria mātou talia ma whaftai lo fua ai. Lo lava swafa Yesu o le wala o toi nei. Amen.
All right, just again, I'd like to call upon the elders, ministers, pastors, and chiefs to please make your way to the buffet table first. The rest of us, if we can just please wait another 10 minutes until these special guests make their way and pay their food, and then we can all kind of follow suit. So if I can ask Sunga Whawhakainga. Just a reminder to everyone, we do have an open bar outside, so if you are thirsty, please make your way outside to have a few drinks on the house. Just a reminder, I might see you guys out there, but there is an open bar outside. Please make your way outside if you are thirsty. Thank you for your patience and I appreciate your time. If you are hungry, if you are thirsty, please go to the bar outside. If you are hungry, please form an orderly line behind these elders and ministers. The food is now ready to go. If you have any issues, please come and see me on the side. Thank you.
I'm gonna make you happy, make you happy.
Oh, you still got all four, yeah? Oh, you're trying to take it home, man? Nah, yeah, that's all. Also, that's everyone. That's everyone. Oh, it's got.
If the birthday girl is outside taking photos, if I can please ask you to come back inside. We do have another performance waiting on the side. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon Alani's siblings. This is your moment. Make some noise for Alani's siblings. We'll give it all up to the stage to get ready for the performance. But before I call upon the next person to come up on stage, we do have plenty of food. So if you are still feeling hungry, you are more than welcome to make your way and get your second, third, fourth. It doesn't really matter. We do have plenty of food available for you guys if you are still hungry. I'd like to take this time to please call upon Sideo. Make some noise for Sideo, who is Alani's best friend. He will come up on stage to say a few words. He is a bit nervous, so please go easy on him. And make some noise for him as he makes his way.
Hi everyone. I'm nervous right now. My name's Sideo and I'm Alani's friend from work. Kmart? Shut up. I haven't prepared a speech, so I guess first impressions of Alani at work. I didn't know she was Amana's daughter at first, so first impressions, very pretty, right? Yeah. Yeah, but that doesn't mean much really. No. But yeah, I didn't really get to know Alani till later. Like I knew her for like a year and a bit, but we didn't really talk much back then. But yeah, getting to know Alani is pretty sweet. She's very loving, caring, hard worker. Yeah. Yeah, she can get a bit pessimistic about herself, or optimistic about others. What else is there to say? Oh, she is very beautiful, yeah. You're right. Yeah. well, short and sweet. I love you, Alani, and I appreciate everything you've done for me. Thank you for being there, for your support and your love. And yeah, that's about it, really. Yeah. Thank you.
We are getting the next performance ready. I believe they are behind stage, just finalising a few costume issues, but we will play music for another 5 minutes, and then I will come back and call upon our next performing act, which is the Macfield Girls. So please, Macfield Girls, be ready in the next 5 minutes. We very much appreciate it. Thank you.
Wait.
big our next group is ready to make their entrance. We have a group all the way from Macfields ready to perform for the birthday girl here tonight. Is the Macfields team ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the Macfield family. Come on, you can do better than that. Please make some noise. Let's go.
I think you stand right there.
Hey,
you, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to another important part of our program. Alani is now making her way to get ready for her Tawawunga, which is next. We are going to take a break for 5 to 10 minutes so that Alani can get ready. And then we will call upon Alani when she is ready. Thanks. Just a reminder, family and friends, we do have plenty of food. If you want to make yourself at home, have another plate, please. Don't be shy, we do have plenty of food. There is an open bar, so please help yourselves. If you have any issues, please
String
don't.
assim na Samoa, the birthday girl string assim na Samoa. Better there. Where you want to go?
Yeah, you can get behind her.
today. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience tonight. It has been a slow night because there have been a couple of hiccups. So we do appreciate your patience and we do appreciate your time. We have now come to an important part of our program where the birthday girl will do a traditional Samoan dance for the audience and to acknowledge our culture in some way. So I'd like to just waiting to see if the birthday girl is ready to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Alani Whareawha!
You once walked the earth with the uncertainties of life, but you continued to persevere, leaving an imprint on every soul that came into your sight.
Ole tamaita Samoa, ole toa, ole ayu. The seventh woman whose courage has no boundaries, nor is it confined. She fierce, compassionate, wise. Her love is unconditional, loving, kind.
The strength of a Pacific woman is as strong as the basalt rocks sculptured around the shorelines of the sea. Standing the test of time, she lives on, far beyond this life.
Ole tamaita Samoa, e tumo, e whaawawau.
Samoa,
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going on to our next act, or our next performance. If I can have the man responsible for the sparklers, so please remove the equipment on the stage. Thank you. Please, backfield girls, if you are ready, make your way. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the Maxfield Girls Second National Army. Ladies and gentlemen, please big round of applause again for Alani and the Blackfield Screen. All right. There's been a slight change to our program. Unfortunately, there is some unforeseen circumstances. We had to kind of move some cultural things a little bit earlier than expected. So I'm going to give the opportunity to an elder to do the traditional Samoan speaking, and then we'll continue with our program for the rest of the night.
Ia taro whare maru rau fia ne vai ngole fiafi. Ia ele manatu ne vai ngole fiafi ia o lea ua. O mafoi o na whata oto o manu e pei o le tala e whai laki maru fie. O lea whai o na whora le whala. Wa fusi foi whau ma mori la plapo o maro e ale le tauranga na mosia le tai au whai. Ia lea safi tai tuma iaila na wauna le suma le tai o le sauninga. Pe tai le fiafi e ili te toloma ia o lea ua. Sa vei o olo le se uma o lea ua mo foia tia pue mo tia mo luma le fiafi. Ia wale e atu le paia le au whainga wenga. Manatu le ahia e le wha ma whaspairo ina sa wha matalanga. Ao le inga lava ma le whaafitai. Ia e au ina wha fōi le tua. Awa whainga lava o pausisi sa mati pe tātou te tua mani are le wha moe moe. Ia lea ua mo le upo le wheo paia o le tua o le la o le wha moe moe o taunu. Ia o le la au lea o le soifua tātou. Ave le uta mo ia o tātou ta mao le lani. Ia wai le lava se mea tātou te mawhaia. Pe a le whinangalo le tua. Ia tātou te au ia maile le vaenga o le fiafi. Manatu lea ni tau mate wha mea te tai le ato po le ase. Awala o pisa o ai ma o turai ni a fiafi. Ia le lava una motu le pā o iloa. Ia o roi ngoa. Ia o ria manaia me o i fulu. Ia o au o le te tai to ina. O le kalesia o lo sanwai le tekne lea. Pai aso whanau. Manatu le vai ngana fia la vero leo. E whai ma whonga paia la whai manuenga le suma le teitai a pāsalo moi. E ngā tai lea le soa tau, suma le whawhingai ngai aro. Ia whalewa utua. Ia e whaleo ai se alanga whawtaia le ngā te lea o se mea lofa. Ia wale tamaitai whas pai aso whanau. Le tamaitai a alani. Ia le po le whionga fo ia haritasi. ia o le afioga ia fuatino ia po le afioga fo'i ia falinaota ia o paia lava ia ua le afio sua o le tupu na fa'anofonofo la inga sa sua le fio tusani ma la inga sa tusani ia mamalu ia sa sila fainga ia whenata foi paia ua le fio tuala ma sala e la te mea o le falevalu ma le fale sifulu fio o le tia ma Yesu ia lalatai o rotorua te vanga ma vai fale ma mamalu ia sa limuiana o paia foi ia ua le fio la inga sa tuala e na lele a fio maili le fio ma ia tole pai fai mai o le totoli ia fio foi va ili o la una fausia ia la utina na lelei ma upu ia te oe fale ana ia o paia na o te meitai fai asfanau le afia manatu le ale umi se whamatalanga alani ia ele ma fai lava o na tu mamaina e la wainga le karesia le inga ia kemiso ia tu sai ma le whamoemoe no atuanga o lo uasfuri matas ia o le aso e sili na taua le soifua o le talavou pilawa na malia e le samoanga na nauauna e leo se ti e sa roto ai le langi ia o se la sanafou o se sistema fou ia ua lava le angai luma o le olanga ma le soifuanga a o le mea sili na taua ia whaamuamua le tua e mea uma ia o le amatanga lea o le poto whapele sa whamatalanga ia leo ua saunia e le lau le keona Polo Richard ia le teutusi lea ai mea lo fatua ia walo wasu whanau ia ole lau whalelua le nā ia awa saunia foi lau e kalesia e St. Mary's ia le mea lofa lea walo wasu whanau ia lo fugia le tua lo langa wa lava tamo fai ai ia fatumu le tua fa mo mitinga ina ia mafai na tanu ile mamuia ama imatua ama ile tua fa mo le tua me uma ona Yesu amen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the birthday girl is ready to make her speech to say a few words.
Lau sisunga la taitai o le soni, whapea le whawhanga le aso. Lea sa e sau i le whale mua, ai o sau i whale wa ai. Lea po i sa e sau le langa tula, ko whapu lo le talinga, se ua malo le whaia le whaiwa. First and foremost, I want to thank God for everything that He has done for me. All the praise and glory goes to Him, so I want to give thanks to God for blessing me with more life, blessing me with my family and everyone here today. Just want to welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. I want to say thank you to June and her family for the desserts. So thank you to my Lauafata family, my Auntie Galini, to both for everything, the wine, the chocolates. I want to say thank you to my Nana and Grandpa. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for the beautiful giggers. I want to say thank you to Annalisa and Jonathan for the banners as well. I want to say thank you to everyone here who's come. Thank you to my work friends, the Kmart gang. Thank you to all my high school friends. Thank you for being here today. And everyone that I haven't mentioned, I just want to say thank you to all of you. None of this would be possible without you. And I just want to say I'm grateful for everything that you've done for me and my family. I want to say thank you to my Uncle Alan for coming all the way from Perth. And his wife as well. Thank you, Auntie, for being here. Thank you to Moira, Patricia, Auntie Moira, and my cousin Patricia for coming. And thank you to everyone else. Last but not least, I want to say thank you to my family, my immediate family. Thank you to my sister who designed everything, planned everything. Thanks, Anthea. Shout out to her. I say thank you to my brothers. Thank you to my brothers for practicing and dancing, but I don't like dances or Sebas. Thank you to my Maori cousins. Thank you for the dances, I love them. Thank you to my Macquarie Field girls as well. Thank you for taking time out. Even though it was late, you still came through for me, so thank you. Yeah, just thank you for everything. I'm just so grateful. I want to say thank you to my mom, my beautiful mom, for bringing me into this world. All of this is because of her, and all that I've accomplished is through God, but also my mom as well. So thank you, Mom. I love you. Thank you to my dad and Alan, the family. Thank you to my aunties and uncles. Thank you. Just thank you for everything. Thank you to Mola as well for always being there, working for us, providing food and water. Yeah, anyways, I'll just keep this short. E moni ai upua lea tunu, he matamata na nofo le mamata o le tuia ana. E sile mia le whetalainga a sa lea umua. E matamata muli uli le goa ipu ai ono. E tala leo malie, le ano le tuia tua. Talinga fia lono, le maunga o salawhai. Tofu ma lemo le tangaloa au po, ai ina malie le whale salau. E soifua mai ia manuia.
Another big round of applause for Alana. Alright, we do have a special performance by Manea Pacifica. I believe they are getting ready at the back. So please bear with us for 5 more minutes. And we're just going to play some music for the time being and we'll come back and introduce them into the act. Thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, the Manea Pacifica are still getting ready, so we are going to call upon the second act for the Mountain Girls. Please make some noise for the second act for the Mountain Girls. special dance for the birthday girl. I believe my nails ready. All right, please make some noise for Manel Pacifica. Looks like Monet Pacifica is not ready yet. Sorry, guys. There has been a few hiccups tonight, so we do appreciate your patience and your time. So we are going to call upon Julian, Nina, Amphia, and Alani. If you guys are ready, please now with your hands. All right, we've come to another important part of the evening. I'd like to call upon Alani sister Afia. Alani sister Afia is about to say a speech at the birthday girl. You can take a seat, please. Afia, now is your chance.
Tala Fulana, Aloha o Anthea. Aloha, Uso Alani Fulana. Lele Samoa. Oh, my Samoa? You know what? My Samoa's not very great, so I'm going to be saying my speech in English. So I am the only sister of Alani. I'm the second child of my mom. Me and Lani have been inseparable since day one. As you can see, we've always been very close. You know, Lani's been like a second mom to me and my siblings because my mom being a single mom, she had to, you know, sometimes take up 2 jobs. So Lani would be able to take care of us at such a young age. So she's always been there for us. And I'm very grateful, and I'm very proud of the woman that Lani's become, and I'm so proud of you. Anyways, I just want to say, I love you, Lani.
Sorry guys, just a bit technical difficulties in the back. All right, so we have one more performance of the night. Again, we do appreciate your patience and your time. It has been a long night. These guys are famous. You can find them on Instagram. They are Cook Islander dads. Might be wrong. But please make some noise for Manea Pacifica.
special reminder to our beautiful people. Congratulations on your 21st. Congratulations on the 21st, Alani. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome up on stage awards with the drum dance entitled "Eh Roll Away," or to listen if you got ears. You got ears here?
Next up, Nadia and your partner. Okay, say hello to your partner. Well done, guys. See what's on the balance. You did well. It's all right. Yeah, you did well. Yeah. He was asleep. Where's that birthday girl? Where's Alani? Oh, she's changing. Oh, okay, so she's not dancing. Okay, I think, does anybody else want to join the dance or do a bit of hula? I can see you dancing in your corner. Come on, let me show. Come on, boys. Come on. Say come on, you can do it. You can record if you want. There you go. All right. We got the whole class here. Anyone else?
Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Monel Pacifica. We definitely saved the last performance, the best for last. We have now come to the end of our program tonight. So thank you for your patience. It's been an honor and a blessing to be able to MC this event. Just a couple of words for my niece Alani. Happy birthday, darling. I pray that God blesses you with many more years. I'm very proud of the woman you've become. And I can't wait to see the next 10 years of your life. But that concludes our evening. What's to follow is some traditional Samoan cultural stuff, giving up the cake as well as Kokushi. So my name is Louis Mariner, and this is the MC signing up. I'll say.
Kako umi musange i kaya ula. O pasioa ka yoa. Le foi o fuki mangula i o riu kingo la ka ko kalo sa fa wao fa bo. Vinga le le ku ala ngate le le ko fa ka mu ai man mamuya. Le so fa ma o le finge. O ula ia man fa mo sa mo o ya. A le o ka. Kau sunga le whawhengainga. Whawhekai ke le amo sa winga maki o fie. Whai lea ma wha mamaku i a whimi. Ia mga kua lea kua i taini no rongo karabo. O Samoa. So se whawhia fianga. Le umoroa le whakawhiki o le kaurunga. Kau sunga le whawhengainga. O se mea lo whakawaa nge i a le whimi. E o le so mo ko suma walo ko sumai ma maliu mai na suma kai kai sa minga la ke kusilewa ka wawa ku basta tu bo ya malau tekele la sungar fa fengainga pasta la moi berna la ke kusilea malau tekele la sungar fa fengainga ano la ke kusilea malau tekele la sunga fa fengainga konki la ke kusilea au awa malau tekele la sunga poni kai ko inga le keoma la ke kusilea na lo fa ka wa ne ya la finge malau tekele au awa suma to ina ria mahaya la ke kusilea mala tekele alia la suma e fatamongo suma to ina la ke kusilea mala tekele Sunga tana fen sua fle kau ke kusilea kau awale kau aku ya malau tekele mai kwa sulusi lau ke kusi leo kwa waku na mara ukekelea suwa toina malolo le keoma apu lau ke kusi leo mara ukekelea pa yai lau maru fiafu Yaro fata tansau lau ke kusi lea malau keke lea sunga to ina puloku salafai lau ke kusi lea malau keke lea Lumoi ki merana lau ke kusi lea tupai me Yeremia ya lau ke kusi lea malau ke kalau lewa tawa wako kai la de Bawe wese lau ke kusi lea tawa au E fantasioge la que cucina en tu attends la que cucina o sabia ya lo fa ka wa ala fitini sunga toina chichei la fata lo que kusi lea para tua ya ekelini la wifata lo que kusi lea Talupe, lo que kusi leo sabiale, la figi. Sunga fare tua materika, lo que kusi leo. Fare tua ya spiki, dan mai lo que kusi. Sulia fa uma lau ke kusi lewa kawawa sabia samote e sera fa da fama lau ke kusi lewa kawawa Swesalo pati lau ke kusi lewa kawawa Tire fa tui lau ke kusi lea sa wiare sa figi ako aleni lau ke kusi lea sa wiare figi Suma pite wese lau te ukusi lea. Whamaruru aku se kau mawhaiga vai ale ai ngei. Mga wao mai le fia mawangi me se kere awaro ko su mai ma mani mai. Rofangia le akua. Aku wama le fua makakala le fire ali. Kau kai le akua ya la uma. Lange mamali au fia o pokoku. Ai ola maruru inga le ai ngei. So i fua mai le mamuia.
Pamalolo mengaku le soman famoi. Kan wayo ngau finge pekingo ya kuisa mau. Ya ora la faku ka kaunga. Alo ya yang fai bai maguia la ngau nge fiam.
Samo o ka o mo ka ko sala bo. Ola ya pa kai la ko kuna la. Ele mo fare mo mapu lo le fiam finge. Si fai se kala. Olha, calma aí, Vamos,
Mua isa ili na wafio malawa mia tonu o na wha popo mai leo mere nei umai lona soifua nei mane lumanai. La macho fautu uai nei po. Alo fa ia tapua ao soifua o la matangata inu awana. Ina ia whata unu sawa le muatu ia larafanga ina ia fiafi. Whamunia tere lava ina ia macho o uso matu whawhino au me mai o malo. I tua inga mga ngana ese na macho mori mawina. Le nei ia sofia fia. Whamangalo so macho aleu se sala iau luma. Isa macho tu ele tau ele fina ngalo ia la ufio. Jadi ala macho wala au le nei fiafi. Fafta Yesu. Amen.
For all the young adults, please use the restroom. We've got another 40 minutes left. Thank you.
Let's go,